guys, today we're going to make simple and easy and healthy pineapple, mango and banana smoothie. It's very easy to make and refreshing on hot summer days, so let's begin with the ingredients. 1 cup of pineapple chopped, 1 cup of mango pulp, or you may use sliced fresh mangoes, 1 big sized banana or 2 small sized bananas, a 1/4 cup of honey, a pinch of salt, 3 cups of milk. Every smoothie is very simple and easy. We're just going to blend all the ingredients together. This is a delicious combination of ingredients. It's very refreshing and sweet and tasty. And blend. So you blended our smoothie nice and smooth. It looks very nice and it's healthy. The combination of fruits that work well together and taste very nice. So here we have our delicious pineapple, mango and banana smoothie. It's a delicious tropical combination and it tastes very nice and refreshing. Plus it's healthy. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below. And check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.